Well, I think that's exactly right. It's the point in time. I mean, Saylor says this. He said he thinks the next 10 years are going to be a digital gold rush for Bitcoin. I think he's right. I mean, we've broken through. I mean, I remember 17. I got involved in 14. I bought a few of them, not many. I bought more in 17. I bought on the dip, and after that twice, doubled down twice. But 18, 19, it was still pretty fringe, and we had just come through the block size wars, and there'd been forks earlier, and so on and so forth. And then 20, it worked. We took off with all the money printing because it responded to that and as a sound form of money. But then the tightening brought it all back down, and SBF blew us up. But it's now there's now almost nobody that's not aware of its existence. I mean, here's a perfect example. This morning I was reading the Wall Street Journal. Nick Timiraos was speaking about Fed policy, and he talked about how whether it was tight or loose was in part determined by things like this, the screaming price of Bitcoin. I don't think those were his words, but for Bitcoin to be mentioned in an article about Fed policy, I mean, that's kind of an Overton window shift, right? So everyone's becoming aware of this thing.